بعبادك الصالحين ما بعد. So please attend. جزاكم الله خير. So today's hadith يروي الإمام مسلم في صحيحه بسند صحيح عن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه وأرضاه قال عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال, the Prophet عليه الصلاة والسلام, this hadith says, لقد رأيت رجلا يتقلب في الجنة في شجرة قطعها من الطريق كانت تؤذي الناس. Today's hadith describes a mindset, an action, describes an action that reflects a mindset of a person. And and a Muslim cannot afford not having this mindset. The Prophet ﷺ, this hadith is saying this, that he saw a man enjoying different aspects of Jannah, of paradise. Yataqallab, it means doing different things in the Jannah. He's just enjoying himself. You know, whatever there is to enjoy, he's had access to it all. Fil Jannati, why? Fi shajaratin, because he found a tree, a plant that was in people's way, in their way. It's hurting them. It's probably in the middle of the street. So what he did, he decided to take the initiative and make a positive impact, positive change in this situation. There's so many ahadith that describes this mindset, the mindset of influencing, and I use this word in the true sense of, not the modern meaning of it, influencer. They do absolutely, it's this person who just advertises for companies. No, in the true sense, people who influence, people who put in a positive impact, a positive influence in this life. And a Muslim should be like that. You could be a passive Muslim and you just mind your own business. You could be. But you're far from the vision of the Prophet ﷺ. You have to be where you are, always thinking about positive change. This person, if you imagine, see the subhanallah, the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, even the ayat, is like a telegram, very short. You really have to dissect, you have to think about it. He's describing a person, probably he's busy, this person is busy. This person probably had to park the car and get out of his way and wait for everyone to, whatever the case may be, and had to put effort, and maybe the tree was big, did put all the effort to make that change. It's not just pick it up and move on. And that's not only about physical things. Any type of removal of harm from people's lives, any type of harm, whether it is physical or even spiritual harm, ignorance is harm that you have to educate people, etc. Even the non-materialistic things, for all these change from negative to positive, in my view, fall under this hadith. There's a lot of hadith that actually talk about this. So my advice to myself, and to especially my younger brothers, always think of positive change. A Muslim has to be, people should be excited to have a Muslim on their team, not the opposite. Because they know that this person has 1, 2, 3 very valuable characteristics. Because their religion, Islam, dictates that to them. They cannot afford moving away from this. Not the opposite, that when actually you're there, go, oh my God, now I know what I'm facing. The exact opposite. So let's all of us try to be that positive change. I hope this was a benefit. يروي الإمام مسلم في صحيحه بسند صحيح عن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه وأرضاه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم لقد رأيت رجلا يتقلب في الجنة في شجرة قطعها من الطريق كانت تؤذي الناس. صلى الله على حبيبنا وسيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك لا إله إلا أنت